Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. You trying to lose weight but struggle to find quick and healthy breakfast options? Well, you're in the right place, because today I'm going to share my top 10 quick breakfast ideas that not only taste but also help support your weight loss goals. Each recipe is packed with flavors and nutrients without packing on the calories. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. Recipe 1. Greek Yogurt Parfait. Starting off with something sweet and refreshing. All you need is Greek yogurt, some fresh berries, and a sprinkle of granola. Layer 200 grams of Greek yogurt with a handful of berries and 2 tablespoons of granola. This parfait is not only delicious but comes in at around 250 calories. It's a perfect way to kickstart your metabolism in the morning. Recipe 2. Banana Oat Pancakes. Who doesn't love pancakes? Here's a healthier twist for you. Blend together 1 banana, 2 eggs, and half a cup of oats until smooth. Cook on a non-stick pan for about 2 minutes on each side. Serve hot with a drizzle of honey. Each serving will give you about 280 calories of energy and loads of fiber. Recipe 3. Avocado Toast with Egg. For all the savory breakfast lovers, toast a slice of whole grain bread. Top it with mashed avocado and a poached egg. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of chili flakes. This powerhouse breakfast packs vitamins, proteins, and healthy fats, all under 300 calories. Recipe 4. Smoothie Bowl. Blend a banana, half a cup of mixed berries, a handful of spinach, and a tablespoon of flax seeds with some almond milk. Pour it into a bowl and top with slices of kiwi and a sprinkle of chia seeds. It's a vitamin-packed breakfast that's both filling and nutritious, with around 350 calories. Recipe 5. Cottage Cheese and Pineapple. For a high-protein, low-calorie option, try this. Mix half a cup of cottage cheese with chopped pieces of pineapple. Add a dash of cinnamon for some extra flavor. This refreshing breakfast is just about 200 calories. Recipe 6. Turkey and Spinabel's Slimming Breakfast, the Turkey and Spinach Omelette. Whisk 2 eggs, add some chopped spinach and cooked, shredded turkey breast. Cook in a skillet with a teaspoon of olive oil. Not only is it tasty, but it's also only around 250 calories. Recipe 7. Overnight Oats. Combine half a cup of rolled oats with almond milk, a teaspoon of honey, some grated apple, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, simply grab and go for a quick 220-calorie breakfast that keeps you full for hours. Recipe 8. Protein-packed smoothie. Blend a scoop of your favorite protein powder with a banana, a handful of kale, and a tablespoon of peanut butter. Add some water or almond milk for your desired consistency. This smoothie breaks the 300-calorie barrier and really packs a punch to start your day energetically. Recipe 9. Veggie-packed muffins. Mix together grated zucchini and carrots, chopped onions and bell peppers with eggs and a little flour. Pour into muffin tins and bake at 350-degree Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. These muffins are not just tasty, they're also around 150 calories each. Recipe 10. Quinoa Fruit Salad. Mix cooked quinoa with your choice of diced fruits like strawberries, peaches, and apples. Add a dash of lemon juice and a sprinkle of chopped mint. This breakfast is light, refreshing, and around 300 calories. And there you have it, folks. 10 quick, delicious, and weight-loss-friendly breakfasts to start your mornings right. Remember, losing weight doesn't mean you have to sacrifice taste or spend hours in the Deitch recipe. Suits your taste buds and fits within your daily calorie goal. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy eating tips and recipes. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.